Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from NBeads. Now, this is a collaboration with NBeads, and I have to say I have admired their products for a long time, and when I had them reach out to me to ask if I was interested in collaborating with them, I was more than happy. So I don't even know where to begin. Everything is so exciting. So let's just start first with this gorgeousness right here. These are unbelievably beautiful. Look at all of that pink goodness. I love pink. It has to be my favorite color. And all of these different combinations of matte, polka dot, this really like disco ball looking one, and then this shimmery one is so much fun. I just love those. So those are going to be great for creating some dangles. And then I also received these. I've been in love with these striped beads, especially on Halloween projects for like the black and white beads, but I thought, well, we're pretty far off from Halloween, so I'll try my hand with the colored ones. I'm disappointed I only got one pink. You can't control the number of colors that you get from each variety, but like I'll definitely use this guy right here. Oh, he's got a flaw. Oh, that's too bad. Let's see here. These other ones. These ones are all perfect. So these ones are great colors that I will use. It'll be more of a challenge to use like the brown, orange I can use for Halloween next year. The blues and the yellows. Maybe something like my Sweet Story collection. Put that there. And then I've got some gorgeous star things. Look at these. Okay, so right here, these are beautiful. They have these in hearts as well. Look at the fun glitter inside each of these guys. So these are interesting, actually. Just so you're aware, they're more plasticky than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like a silver metal, but it's not. It's very lightweight, which isn't a bad thing, to be honest with you, when you're shipping things or even creating things so it doesn't weigh a project down. Look at all those gorgeous colors. Another really fun item there. I did get some more of these just because I couldn't resist. If you watched my last unboxing, I had ordered some previously, but you can never have enough pink. And so I got some more of those. And I think these are a different color pink. So those are a light pink. And I think these ones look like they're a bit darker. Let's see. What do you guys think? Hold this up here. Is this one darker than this one? Maybe not. I think they might be the same, actually. I just ordered, they must have come in sets of 2. There's usually the variety of things that you can get in like different quantities, and you can choose a large quantity or a small one. Since I'd already got some of those, I chose a small one. There's some pretty blush pink hearts. And this I ordered because when I'm making dangles, it's really handy to have like pre-made pieces of chain. And these ones have an additional benefit. They have the lobster clasp already in place, and they end with a little heart dangle there. So I think there's just 5 of those. Yeah, that's what those guys look like there. Okay, so I'm also very excited for a couple things. So I love sequins anytime, and these are probably my favorite colors, the pink and yellow, and they have a real iridescence to them because of the shape of them. They have all of those gorgeous sparkles, the way that they shine because of the way that they've been cut. I got one of these because I really need to organize some of my own materials, and this is a great way to organize sequins. I love the fact that they have individual containers, so you can just take out one. If you wanted to make a sequin mix, you can just dump out that one specific one, and it helps you keep everything compartmentalized, yet at the same time have it all in one place. So I'm excited to do some storage organization with those. Also great for creating embellishment boxes for Happy Mail. The one thing that I think I may be most excited out of everything here is this. So this was on clearance. Everything you see here was $35, including shipping, and that's US. And inside of these are the ability to make lipsticks, basically. So you would have a lipstick here and then a separate one that you could put in these tubes. But the reason why I got it is because I wanted to create a sequin mix, put it inside, and gift it in Happy Mail. So I'm so glad that these have come in time. The idea I had was to just take this out, and let me just see here. I did look at this. As soon as I got it, I wanted to see if I could get this out easily enough. I just wiggled it back and forth, and I was able to simply break it off with a clean break and create this perfect little container to make a lollipop ice cream shaker, like sequin mix. So I want to gift my friend a sequin mix, and then I can just put them in there, and they're easy to pour out, and they're nicely contained, and they're cute packaging. So isn't that fantastic? So stay tuned for everything. I will link down below the links for everything specific that I got here. If you're looking for any of these in particular, there's a coupon code as well. I'll leave all that information in the description box, as well as watch for more videos coming. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I've been doing a lot of collaborations lately from a number of different companies, and it's really nice to be able to see some of these products up close, because when you look online, there are so many products to choose from, you don't even know where to begin. So it's kind of nice to have someone be able to show you exactly everything that comes within a kit, what size they are, the quantity, the color. Like even this, something that I thought I was buying silver is actually a plastic. So just interesting information to know when you're making your purchases. So thank you so much for watching. Just showing you, oh, look at this actually, isn't this perfect? There is a funnel in here. So the idea is that you could, there's that one I had here. The idea is that you could put your liquid in there. But look at that. Eek! I can pour my sequins right in there if they're not too, they might be too big actually to fit through that hole. We'll have to see. These ones probably would. But anyways, that is really a cute little thing. I bet you this funnel will be handy for other things. Like if you wanted to use glitter for a different project or something, that would be really handy to be able to pour glitter. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.